Welcome back to the NCPL Culinary Kitchen. We are the BariGirls. I'm Kylie.
And I'm Linda, and today we're sharing delicious dinner ideas featuring Hen House Market's rotisserie chicken, broccoli parmesan casserole, and mashed butternut squash.
Oh, yes. We all know Hen House has juicy and tender rotisserie chicken, but did you know how easy and flavorful putting meals together with it can be?
Well, let's get started with our mashed butternut squash.
Shoot. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. After that, we're going to cut our butternut squash in half lengthwise. Scoop out all the seeds, get all of that out of there, and we're going to brush lightly with melted butter. Save the rest for mashing and sprinkle with spices like brown sugar, some cinnamon, however you like.
Now we'll place the squash cut side up on a baking sheet and bake for about an hour or until it's very tender. And then we'll scoop out the flesh and place that in a large bowl. We'll use our hand masher or an electric mixer on low and mix until smooth. Then we'll add cream and the remaining melted butter to taste and season with salt and pepper, and we'll set aside to serve.
Now it's my turn, right?
That's right.
Next up, our broccoli parmesan casserole. The oven's already heated to 400 degrees. So next, we're going to spray our 9x13 baking dish with vegetable oil or canola oil spray. Steam the broccoli until crisp tender. Takes about 3 to 4 minutes, and add to the baking dish.
Now, in a saucepan over medium heat, we're going to melt 3 tablespoons of butter. We'll add our onions and cook until they're translucent. Then add our garlic and cook for about 30 additional seconds. We'll add the remaining butter, then whisk in the flour until blended.
From there, in a small bowl, we'll whisk together the egg and milk. Gradually add this mixture to the onion mixture, stirring constantly. Bring to a low boil and cook for about 2 minutes until it thickens, but watch it very closely. Remove from the heat and stir in the Parmesan cheese, salt, and pepper. Pour the cheese sauce over the broccoli. This is the best part.
Right. Now for the topping, we'll melt the butter in a large skillet over medium heat. We'll add the Cheerio crumbs and Parmesan cheese, and we're stirring to coat. We'll cook until crispy and just beginning to brown. Then we'll sprinkle that over our casserole. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until the topping is golden brown.
Oh yes, no need to call the family to the table because they will smell it and come running. No announcement needed. No announcement needed.
Don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, on Facebook and YouTube.
And when you try these at home, leave us a comment and let us know how you make it count.